Welcome to Explore Tripoli. We are back on the road. What you dey watch so? Now the WAKA fine bus. Yes, the WAKA fine bus with the WAKA inside Freetown right now. This na just a reminder because this particular one will be done upload on this channel. You remember na ya where we come out from Calabar town, Tego bus station. Well, we just a little tease you small in case you be don't forget. Now so we be join the free ride inside January 2024 when we be get the free ride. We also don't pay na WAKA fine bus. You go can watch the after we remind you how it been turn like that thing the way it be just start. And you go compare with now where we take them from bus station for Camp Calabar town. This one na the free ride. Well, and also at the time where a lot of people be the try self for enjoy the WAKA fine bus. Who start with this one now from east to bus station na there we dey go. Enjoy the ride small. Yeah, enjoy it. This in the conversation and they come back. We don't come na the west side. Yana from bus station for go na Lumley. Like I said earlier, we don't do all the wire. The lengthy video of how the journey be tell for we, then at the channel already. As if you new here, what I go link the one day up here. This one where we do from here, bus station, when I will start so, say go na Lumley. I just say let we experience how na the same day na free ride. How the free ride been look like. I dey come back inside March 2024 where we pay. Unless if una want we for upload the entire ride, then we go do them. We just say we just piece them together. Listen the conversation and they come back.
Anytime we bus stop this, the bus will come down. Sometimes stop on the stop now. Oh, don't let me out. Sit down at FC. Go St. John. They go the lights. That's go cross. About the road, Holy Gate, Big House, Ben Drive. We will use ticket for time after that and each ticket on the so when we use ticket for 3 months, after the 3 months, the phone will be instead of now the change out for each ticket. Without doing that, you don't respond to anyone. Like, I'm letting you know that we take time and another one. I guess you should come out outside. Anyway, we go inside and come outside come out.
Bambulem, we dey right now inside the bus. We take them from bus station we dey go Calabar town. Now Abacha Street we dey so. You see, eh? We pay. And remember, it gets the stop button. But I want to make you watch, because now not to determine I be free ride we go see a lot of people them be they park and everything. But I'll make you watch if you see anybody use the stop button. And for safety, this spare tire, I don't know why it's still the inside. Yes, the spare tire is still there. Okay. Again, let me read from you. If you want to make we upload the entire ride what we pay now, because this will just make a small lomo without reaching another stop. People are coming in. That tire they go fence side putter. The trash now the bus. Well, I left you. Watch. Comments below. Yeah? Comments below. But this, remember now people and they pay, not to free one this. So all my way they can inside so they pay. Yes, school bus day, but students themselves they use the bus. Then they pay. Now 10 leon for each ride. 10 leon for each ride. Listen to the conversation. You can't come inside transport, you know, you hear conversation. Listen to them. Yeah? And comment below if you want the full ride where we go do now with people and they pay. But again, 90 CDC so. Let us enjoy the ride. WAKA fine.
It's in the bus, you must find the bus. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. What can I say for you?